Now let's understand about the types of weld joints. First being the butt joint. A butt joint is a technique in which two pieces of material are joined by simply placing their ends together without any special shaping. Then we have lap welding joints. Lap welding joints are essentially a modified version of the butt joint. They are formed when two pieces of metal are placed in an overlapping pattern on top of each other. They are most commonly used to join two pieces with differing thickness together. Here, welds can be made on one or both the sides. Next we have T welding joints. This kind of joints are formed when two pieces intersect at a 90-degree angle. This results in the edges coming together in the center of a plate or component in a T shape. Last but not the least, we have edge joint. In an edge joint, the metal surfaces are placed together so that the edges are even. One or both plates may be formed by bending them at an angle.